So today we are making spicy chicken sliders. This is a all-time favorite evening snack, and it's very delicious to make, and it's very easy to make if you have the ready-made rolls. But if you want to do it from scratch, you can also do that. So for that I have taken 500 grams chicken, 400 to 500 grams chicken, and if you can see, they are small chunks of chicken. I have added half teaspoon of salt in it, and also I will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder in it. I have also added half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilies, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. I have also added 1 tablespoon of lemon juice inside it. I am also going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste in it. If you have garlic powder, you can put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, but I have put 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. And you have to give it a very good mix and keep it for marination for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can fry it. So I have kept it for marination, and in a wok I have taken 4 tablespoons of oil, and now I'm going to fry the chicken in the oil. Okay, so my chicken is getting done, and I have also made a dough, and
so
as
you
can make
this is
like
the buns that I have
out of the dough.
I'm not giving the recipe of the buns.
You can also use ready-made buns for it.
Round,
but if you want the recipe of these buns, you can see my pizza recipe. I will also put the link of my pizza recipe, and I've used the same dough. Like, see, I've made these. I've made this, and I've also put some. So I have also, after my dough has risen, I have put some sesame seeds and put some egg on top of the buns. I'm going to put this in a preheated oven, which is 180 degrees, and I'm going to bake it for 30 minutes. Tablespoons of mayonnaise, and in that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of mustard paste. That is this yellow you can see is the mustard paste. Also I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, and my sauce will be ready. The sauce is very divine, guys. I tried it and it's really good. We're going to put this in our sliders. So my buns were ready, and I cut the half part of the bun. The top part I've separated, and the bottom part I put the mayonnaise inside it. I put some lettuce leaves. I put the chicken, the cooked chicken that we had fried, and it's known as a chicken tikka slider. So the chicken tikka flavor is very good. I put the remaining sauce also that was left, and also I grated chicken. Guys, my buns are ready. I had put this for baking for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade, and the cheese melted, and the buns are absolutely ready. I tasted the buns. Although I didn't bake this in the oven, I baked it in the stove. That's why the top layer is not brown, but it's better that you bake it in the oven. But these buns are cooked, and they are really delicious, and they're cooked. Only because I made this on the stove, that's why I didn't get the brown effect, but it's really divine. You should try it, guys.